It was the most unexpected of phone calls.
Soy el padre Bergoglio, Papa Francisco.
A voicemail from the leader of the Roman Catholic Church himself. Alfredo Leuco, an Argentine journalist, wrote an open letter to Pope Francis. He didn't really expect the Pope would acknowledge the letter, much less call him on the phone to talk about it, but His Holiness called a second time and reached Leuco.
We had a long conversation and touched many topics. I knew Pope Francis when he lived here. I was once honored by him as a journalist, and we talked about that. We talked about football, we talked about politics. He asked me not to speak publicly about 3 or 4 things, and I will respect that.
The journalist is a critic of Argentine President Cristina Fernández de Kirchner and wanted to ask the pontiff not to meet with her for a 5th time. This government has been the most corrupt in the history of Argentina. You speak about helping the poor, but this government doesn't even measure poverty anymore. You promote meetings and dialogue, and this government has promoted hatred, the letter says. The government of Argentina had no comment about the accusations in the letter. Leuco did not disclose if the Pope agrees with the letter, but says Francis praised him for his moral integrity. The journalist says the Pope had world affairs on his mind, including the meeting between Barack Obama and Raúl Castro, and his decision to publicly call the attack of Armenians by Turkey a genocide.
I wanted to tell him everything very quickly so that I didn't take too much of his time, and he told me, no, take it easy, we'll speak calmly. A deep peace took over me, and I also felt very moved.
The Vatican did not confirm or deny the phone call. A spokesman told CNN they don't disclose details of the Pope's personal communications. In Argentina, Leuco has been both praised for the letter and vilified for addressing national politics with the pontiff. Leuco is brushing criticism aside, simply saying that getting a phone call from the Pope is the biggest accomplishment of his journalistic career. Rafael Romo, CNN.